We've got all the water, we've got pools, hot tubs, barbecues, boats. I don't think there's anything else we need, except for maybe some fireworks. Cheers! Alright. How do you like the boat, Katie? So we got a small issue with the drone. I flew it while we were driving and it wouldn't land. There was too much wind coming through the boat and we couldn't get it back on the boat, and it ended up landing on the top of a parking lot at the Coast Guard. So we're gonna have to go back and see if we can find it. I hope we can, but we'll see. But right now we're gonna go get some dinner at Sea Spice. There's some sea spice.
Sea spice. Spice.
Dinner is served.
Dave and I have a
Some sort of bird. It's my level. I got your
Right here, Chris. See it when you, that big yellow thing in the middle?
Yes.
Live off.
Thank you.
That's it.
So I can take like 20 more?
Now you can take a bite.
Well, I mean, your still memory's gonna be full. So.
Oh my god, I can't act natural. She liked the ice cream.
Oh, is it?
Happy birthday!
Thank
Is it
you.
good, Ava?
Wow, it's amazing.
Shane, you want to taste some cheesecake?
Oh my. It's amazing. It's like the most
There you go.
amazing.
That's for you.
The first one, Jim.
What is it?
I don't know, but it's amazing.
What's what?
Too much chocolate for me. I can only take so much.
Katie, what is that?
Okay, you can have another bite.
It's the most amazing thing I've ever had in my life.
over here?
Go to pirate mission.
What? Pirate mission?
I'm a pirate. Arg! Arg!
What's the pirate joke?
What's a pirate's favorite letter?
I don't know.
It's what?
You know?
No, it would actually be the C.
What?
Oh, you're so
The
smart.
sea.
C.
Oh, I wouldn't have got that one.
Make some trouble, baby. Bring the bags, we might be in trouble, baby. Make some trouble, baby. It better be fair, better. Make some trouble, baby. Bring the bags, we might be in trouble, baby. Make some trouble, baby. It better be fair, better.
What's up, 4Cs? Did we have a good boat trip?
Yeah!
Yay!
Pirate ship!
Pirate ship. Oh man, that is a pirate ship.
Those are my friends!
Those are your friends?
I'm a pirate! Arg!
All right, so we're going into the garage where we think the drone landed. I don't know if we're gonna get it. Oh shoot, we gotta get a ticket. We're gonna have to pay to find our drone. Go up to the top floor and see what we get. Hopefully. Gotta go all the way to the top. All the way to the top. Still looking on the rooftop. I don't know if we're gonna find it, but it is dark out. Whoa. There it is. Hold on. Keep that camera on. I'm gonna get that puppy. Mission accomplished, we got the drone. Everything's all good now. All right. Let's go home. Here you go. So just to let you know what's going on, we got a bunch of friends in town, and we've rented this crazy house for the week. And today we're gonna have some more people over, and so you might see some strange faces here. But we're gonna light off a few fireworks, and we'll show you the house because this thing is nuts. It's about 10,000 square feet or so. And a cool $12 million if you want to buy it. It is for sale. So hopefully we can get some likes, subscribe, some shares, and maybe in about 20 years we can buy it. Anyways, let's do it. Come on inside and enjoy the party. take you outside. This is where the party's gonna be at today. Boom. We've got all the water, we've got pools, hot tubs, barbecues, boats. I don't think there's anything else we need, except for maybe some fireworks.
Driving by the shore, listening to a broken radio. Skyline neon lights are waking up the rangers of the night. Designated life, driving by the shore.
Party started. Adam,
Yo!
where's the kids?
I don't know. They're around here somewhere.
Oh,
There they are.
there they are. Everyone act natural. Act natural.
We're on camera.
Yep. So it is almost fireworks time. I'm going to take you down. We just got a few this time, but should still be a nice little show. I'll show you what we got here. Couple mortar tubes, and we got a little string along here. So let's get these things lit and get the party started.
You made my day, you made my day, you You made my day, day. You made my day. You made my day.